Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the $7,650 today. FOMC day. No one trades on FOMC. Well, I traded today. And I missed some good trades in here. I traded some of this earlier in the morning and I switched over to a different time frame, so the number here does not reflect what's over here. But I had a few losing trades to be expected with FOMC day. The volume and everything is just not there, and the way it's moving is just not the best. But I didn't want to hit my ultimate goal today. I just wanted to hit somewhere around $400 or $500 today, and I'd be fine. And so a couple of these trades, like right here, we had this one. And honestly, today, once it went up and if it hesitated, I was ready to get out. This would have been an excellent trade, by the way. This one trade right here would have put me at my goal. And then I hopped on here and it just wasn't moving right. I thought it was going to go ahead and drop one down, but it wasn't. We had our momentum was coming up. Our institution indicator was showing that they were trying to buy up a little more. And so I just went ahead and put my stop there once it dropped down and I got stopped out. I did not take this trade just because I just didn't feel comfortable. Uh, and the rest of the day, I mean, this would have been a good trade, a good trade, a good trade. But me personally, I didn't feel comfortable trading today. FOMC is just a day that I'm just not always the best with. I would rather make just a little bit of money, wait on the news. It comes out at 2 o'clock today, Eastern Time, 1400 Eastern Time. So I didn't do it. So let's talk about what this means. If I would trade this way every day for the 252 trading days, that equates to $1.7 million a year. That's if I made this exact amount every day and take out the Apex fee that they charge, take out the commissions, all of that. That's what I would net by trading this way every day. So average out, it's around $400 or so averaged across these accounts. So $400, it's actually a little less than 400 because it's $7,650. But it adds up. You don't have to make a lot of money trading the way that we trade and the way we teach. We just want to come in, make a few $100s. We do it across a bunch of accounts, and it adds up to a lot of money. I mean, this one trading day, like I said, is, if you made this exact amount every day, that's $1.7 million. That's after you pay out all the fees. So once you pay out all the fees, then you're good to go. So let's talk about how do you get involved with this. A lot of people say, "Well, I want to do it, but I don't know where to start. I don't know anything about trading," and it's really not hard. The only thing you have to do is just come to my website, SpyMoneyLLC.com. Once you go there, just click on the Ninja Suite here, or just go up here and click on that. And when you open that up, it's going to talk a little bit about what the Ninja Suite is, and it's really pretty basic as far as what we do. And here's a little video to show what it does. But we give you all the indicators on our website, and then we also give you a bunch more indicators that the public cannot even get their hands on. It's only included in the Ninja Suite. These are our money indicators. The money indicators are within the Ninja Suite. We have 6 bots altogether. I'm using this week. I've been using the SpyBot Scalper. And I just did an update on it too that's actually going to help make even more money than what it does now. And so I will be releasing that probably tomorrow to all the Ninja Suite people and all the users. Real simple. They already know what the update is. It's just me testing it. I just got it today. So I'm going to release that either today or tomorrow once I run it through a couple tests. Live trading, do that occasionally. I do live trading daily. Discord room, I talk about everything in there, give you call outs, tell you what bot I'm running, what settings I'm running. I tell you, like, if it's coming in the chop, I tell you that I wouldn't be running it right now. And, the picture bot's on pause and so forth. So I'm very active in this Discord. I'm in it. People say I don't sleep because I'm in it all the time, but I do sleep. So it comes with a lot. Come down to the bottom, and you can click here to lease the Ninja Suite. So when you click that, it'll open up a shopping cart and put your credit card and stuff in there for your 30-day lease. It is secure. We've never had an issue with any credit card. If you don't have the money, then what you can do is you can, as far as the trading account, you can do um, the UProfit and the Apex and the Earn to Trade. Between these three, if you need money now, like right now, you're needing to make it now to where you can support what you're doing, UProfit is the way to go. You can have 3 live accounts at one time. So if you want to do that, and when you click on this, it's going to open up and it's going to give you a 30% discount. They did have one that was 50, but that expired a couple of days ago, so they're at 30% now. Apex has 80% off. So if you click any of these right here, that will take you to their sites. These two will automatically put the discount in. If you click on this one, it will pop up this code inside there so that you can copy it, or you can copy it right here. Just do that and then put it into the site. Now, when you do this, on the Apex, you're not going to get paid for about 3 months or so. If you hit all the targets and everything on time, you're not going to get paid for about 3 months. With UProfit, you can get paid in about 5 weeks. Earn to Trade, you can get paid in about 5 weeks. No, actually, it's about 6 weeks on it, 6 to 7 weeks on this one. The quickest money is your UProfit. And if you're wanting to buy 20 Apex accounts and trade like me, then and you don't have the money to do that, then do a couple UProfit accounts where you can make your money, and then once you make your money, then you can go ahead and take that money and buy your Apex. It'll be a longer time before you can do it, but if you need the money right now, right here's the one to do. Here is a little example of the difference on a 100,000 account. People ask me that all the time, which one would I do? Well, honestly, on the Apex, I would do the 50,000 or the 300,000. If you're looking to trade 10 contracts or less per account, this one, I mean, you're going to make a lot of money on this. So the $50,000 account, so if we click on this one and open it up and it comes down here, this will show right there's your coupon code that you need. And if you click on this one, that'll give you 10 contracts. And this one's only about $35 to buy this with your discount. So it's only about $35. I have the 300,000 accounts, and those was $141 each with my discount, and I bought 20 of them. So, it depends on what you want. Look at this, see what works best for you. If you go to the UProfit one, you come on down here and look. Right here, you get your discount right there. It's 112 for the 50,000, and you can do whichever one you want. With this one, you have a $2,500 target, where Apex you have a $3,000 target, which is basically the same. You only get 6 contracts here. 6 contracts is plenty. You can make a lot of money on 6 contracts. This one will give you 12. I personally kind of like the 100,000 one better than the 50,000. It is, double the price, but you get double the contracts. And I like to trade larger. But it's up to you, whatever you want to do, whatever works best for you. And to contact me, if you have questions, come up here to the contact, put your information in here. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number in, what time zone you're in, and what time works best for you. And then I can get a hold of you and we can talk about it, help you out. The Ninja Suite is the way to go. So whenever you lease that, you're going to have support like you would not believe. Customer support is just unbelievable. We're always helping people, answering questions. Whenever you do this, this is going to open up into an account, and it's going to show your steps here. So we've got setup instructions, the bot perimeters, we got the bot downloads, the indicator downloads, the tutorials, we've got bot settings, the training videos, and then the way I trade as far as manual trading. So you're going to get all of this when you lease the Ninja Suite. So this is something that a lot of people don't understand. The setup instructions take you from basics of the NinjaTrader to show you how to do it. You also get the NinjaTrader 8 tips and tricks. There's a lot of videos in here that show you how to use NinjaTrader. So if you're not familiar with NinjaTrader, we help you with that as well. But just let us know how we can help and get started. I'll leave you with this one right here, showing you what today, if you made this every day, that's what it would equate to once a year. You guys have a great day. Appreciate everybody.